Students, welcome to my channel Maths Made Easy by Jaspreet Kaur. This is your Jaspreet teacher. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In today's lecture, I am going to teach question number 9 of chapter 6, that is triangles. Okay, so from chapter triangle, we are going to discuss question number 9. So question is ABCD is a trapezium. So what is a trapezium? First you know what is a trapezium. So ABC is I have ABC quadrilateral, that is trapezium. So trapezium is a quadrilateral, type of a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite side are parallel and one pair is non-parallel. Okay. So ABCD is a trapezium in which I have one pair of opposite side parallel. So I have this pair AB is parallel to CD. Only one pair of side is parallel and other pair will be non-parallel. So AD and BC are non-parallel side and AB and CD are parallel side. So this is a trapezium. So ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD and its diagonal intersect each other at point O. Now come to diagonals. Diagonal intersect each other. So we know diagonal AC and BD. For that we have to join AC and BD. These are the diagonals which intersect each other at point O. So here I join diagonal AC and diagonal BD that intersect at point O. Okay. So we have to show that OA upon OB is equals to OC upon OD. We have to join this diagonal. So join this properly AC, right? So you have to show that OA upon OB is equals to OC upon OD. This you have to prove. Okay. So before starting any question or theorem, first of all you have to write what is the given and what is to prove. So our given is ABCD is a trapezium in which side AB is parallel to CD and diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at point O. So you have to prove OA. This is your to prove. This you have to prove. So always write these three things before doing your proof. So for that, now I have to prove OA upon OB. See OA upon OB what? This is triangle. So हमें ये चीज़ लाने के लिए मुझे बीपीटी थ्योरम को यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. तो हाउ कैन आई अप्लाई बीपीटी थ्योरम इन दिस ट्राइंगल ओ ए बी. सो बीपीटी थ्योरम हम तभी अप्लाई कर पाएंगे इफ़ आई हैव वन साइड पैरेलल टू द अदर साइड और हमारे पास वो रेशो इक्वल हो जाएगी. देन वी कम टू दिस रेशो. ओके. सो रेशो लाने के लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? आई हैव टू डू वन कंस्ट्रक्शन because I have no any line parallel to AB, and if I am taking this ratio that OD OC upon OD, again in this triangle no side is parallel to this side. We have no any two sides parallel, so how can we apply BPT theorem? So for that we have to make one construction. Here we have to draw one line OF parallel to AB, right? So write down here construction. We'll do one construction. Draw line OF, draw OF parallel to AB, right? So now proof. So how can we start our question? What is given? Always start from given. So आप अपने माइंड में एक पिक्चर बनाना होता है कि हमको प्रूफ क्या करना है और उस प्रूफ तक हमको कैसे पहुंचना है. सो मुझे चाहिए था ये रेशो टू साइड्स की. विच टू साइड्स? ओ ए अपॉन ओ बी एंड ओ सी अपॉन ओ डी. ये साइड्स की रेशो चाहिए. ये साइड्स की रेशो के लिए मुझे बीपीटी लगाना है. सो हाउ कैन अप्लाई बीपीटी? बीपीटी अप्लाई करने के लिए आई नीड वन लाइन पैरेलल so that I can apply BPT theorem. I can make other two sides ratio equal. So for that I did this construction OF parallel to AB. Now what is given? Now I am taking OF is parallel to AB. This is construction I am taking. But what is given? Given is AB is parallel to CD. Right? This AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. I am taking OF is parallel to AB and then AB is parallel to CD, then what? OF again will be parallel. Then this implies OF will be parallel to CD also, meaning to say that all will be parallel. AB is parallel to CD, then parallel to OF. These three lines will be parallel to each other. Okay. Then I am taking that triangle in which this line will be parallel to other side. So which triangle I can take? I can take this triangle A, B, D. So now in triangle A, B, D. Why I am taking this A, B, D? Because I want this OF parallel to other side. So this OF is parallel to this AB only in this triangle. So for that, because I need one diagonal. Okay. So मुझे ये रेशो चाहिए था, इसलिए मैंने ये डायगोनल का वो साइड एक डायगोनल लिया, तो उस डायगोनल के साथ जो भी ट्राइंगल लग रहा था वो मैंने उठाया. राइट. सो ऑलवेज टेक दैट वन. So in triangle ABD, I have OF is parallel to AB by construction. Always write reasons. Then if OF is parallel to AB, then what? If one line is parallel to the other, you can say the third side, then what? The ratio will be equal. Then this implies if OF is parallel to AB, then DF upon AF, or you can say that FA will be equal to DO upon OB. This is by BPT theorem, right? Basic proportionality theorem, or you can say that Thales theorem. This is my first equation which I will use afterward. Now take another triangle. Now you have to take that triangle in which again this line is coming. This line is parallel to the other side, that is CD. So which triangle I can take? I can take this triangle. First I took DAB. Now I am taking ACD. पहले हमने कौन सा लिया था? ABD लिया था. तो अभी मैं कौन सा ले रही हूँ? ADC ले रही हूँ. Right? This ADC. Why I am taking this? Because OF is parallel to CD. Okay. Take triangle ADC. Now in triangle ADC, right? OF is parallel to CD. If OF is parallel to CD, then what? Again by BPT theorem, OF. In my first equation, first triangle, I took DF upon FA. Then again in this triangle, I am taking this part, DF upon FA. DF upon FA will be equal to which side? This. DF upon FA will be equal to CO upon OA. CO upon OA. Again, this is by construction and this is by basic proportionality theorem, BPT. Okay. BPT theorem हम कब अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? When two lines are parallel, then the ratio will be equal. Okay. If you want to know about BPT theorem, then you can check my description box. Link will be there. Link में मैं BPT theorem का link दे दूँगी, तो आप वहाँ से description box में से link देख लेना BPT theorem का. Then you can easily understand how can you prove this question, right? When and where you can apply the BPT theorem. Now from equation 1 and 2, what we have? See, their left sides are equal, DF upon FA. Then their right side will be equal. If their left side is equal, then their right side will be equal. Okay. So DO upon OB will be equal to CO upon OA. आप ऑलरेडी प्रूव कर चुके हैं हम यहाँ तक. सी, ये हमको यहाँ पे पहुँचना है. OA अपॉन OB लेके आना. मेरे पास क्या आया है? OA अपॉन OC upon OA है. Then what? We can shift this OA here and इसको ऊपर ले जाओ, उसको नीचे लेके आओ. Then what? So this implies OA upon OB is equals to OA upon OB. This OD will come down. CO upon OD, or you can say the DO. Okay, now compare with your two proof. OA upon OB is equals to OC upon OD. See, come to your diagram. OA upon OB is equals to OC upon OD. This you have to prove. So, we proved here. Okay, hence proved. समझ आया कैसे किया? So what I did, first of all, only quadrilateral is given, quadrilateral is given, that is a trapezium. What is a trapezium? In which two opposite side, one pair of opposite side is parallel and one is non-parallel. तो मैंने क्या किया, मुझे PPT अप्लाई करना है. फॉर दैट आई टुक वन कंस्ट्रक्शन, दैट इज OF इज पैरेलल टू AB. अभी ABCD के पैरेलल है तो वो भी उसके पैरेलल हो जाएगा. तो वन बाय वन आई एम टेकिंग दैट ट्राइंगल इन विच दिस कंस्ट्रक्शन इज कमिंग. ओके, सो फर्स्ट आई टुक ADB, देन आई टुक ADC. तो दोनों में मैंने बीपीटी थ्योरम अप्लाई किया. बीपीटी थ्योरम अप्लाई करने के बाद वी कम टू अवर फाइनल रिजल्ट, दैट इज OA अपॉन OB इज इक्वल टू OC अपॉन AD. अगर आप यहाँ तक भी करोगे तो भी आपका करेक्ट हो जाएगा, कोई आपको रॉन्ग नहीं करेगा. हमने क्या किया, ओनली दिस, इसको अपोजिट लेके आए हैं, इसको ऊपर उसको नीचे. तो अगर यहाँ तक भी आपका हो गया तो भी इक्वल है. आपको इस तरह से भी आ सकता है एग्जाम में, दे कैन आस्क लाइक दैट ऑल्सो and they can ask like this also. So anything by shifting you can prove that. Okay, I hope you understood to this lecture. So in case you feel any difficulty, you feel any problem in any theorem, you didn't understand what is the BPT theorem, please share with me your doubts. I'm here always for you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay? Thank you.